Hello, today we are going to learn about variables in Ruby. In Ruby, we can have string variables, number variables, and Boolean variables. So variable is like a store of a data. Let me show you. I will go and create a new file called variables.rb, and also in the main.rb I will run this. So I will say load variables.rb here, and now here in this file I will say, let us say I use any variable. I will say name or my name, and I will say equals and give some value. Let us say Raghav. So this is a variable, my name, and it has the value Raghav. If I have to print it, I will just say puts my name, and if I run this, it is printing Raghav here. And I can say anything here, my name is, and it will print that on the console. So this is a variable. Now we can have a string variable. I can say my string, and I can give any string value here. Inside quotes I can say string, or I can have a number variable where I can give any number like 10, and then I can have a boolean variable where I can give values like true or false. And if I have to print all this, I will say puts my string and my num and my boolean, and if I run this, you can see it is printing all this here. So this is how you can start using variables in Ruby. The exercise for today is write a Ruby program to create and print a string variable, a number variable, and a Boolean variable. I will meet you in the next session. Thank you for watching.